Hello children, today we are going to see the third unit part 2. So class 4, unit 3, fractions part 2. Part 1 la we studied the introduction, all the definitions of fractions, then like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction and equivalent fraction. Today we are going to see the exercise sum. So listen. Write the first three equivalent fraction of the following. Write the first three equivalent fractions of the following. First question 2 by 5. 2 by 5 oda fraction. 3 equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay. So solution how will you find? You write the given fraction. So to find an equivalent fraction, I told you, you multiply the fraction numerator and denominator by the same number. Multiply or divide. We are going to multiply this fraction into 2 by denominator into 2, numerator into 2. So equivalent fraction கண்டுபிடிக்க என்ன பண்ணனும்? Multiply or divide that fraction with the same number. Numerator and denominator ஒரே நம்பரால multiply பண்ணனும் இல்லனா divide பண்ணனும். So 2 by 5 சின்ன நம்பரா இருக்கறனால we are multiplying by 2. So 1 ஆல multiply பண்ணா அதே நம்பர் தான் வரும். So go with 2. So now you multiply. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. So 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10. So 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10. Next, you write the given fraction 2 by 5. So numerator and denominator 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணியாச்சு. Next 3. Numerator by 3, denominator by 3. That is equal to 2 3s are 6 divided by 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now again 2 by 5 given fraction into 4 ஆல multiply பண்றோம். 4 2s are 8 divided by 5 4s are 20. So 3 equivalent fraction கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. 2 by 5 ஓட 3 equivalent fraction I am writing here. So 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10. That is equal to 6 by 15. That is equal to 8 by 20. So 2 by 5 ஓட first 3 equivalent fraction கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. This is your answer. Similarly, see the second sum. 3 by 5 is your given question. So what I told you, write the 3 by 4 into numerator and denominator by same number. So 1 ஆல multiply பண்ணா same number. So you go with 2. So 2 3s are 6 divided by 4 2s are 8. This is first equivalent fraction. Then 3 by 4 into 3, numerator in 3, denominator in 3. 3 3s are 9 divided by 4 3s are 12. Again 3 by 4 into 4 ஆல multiply பண்ண numerator and denominator by 4. So 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So 3 by 4 is equal to 6 by 8 is equal to 9 by 12 is equal to 12 by 16. Okay. So 3 by 5 or 3 by 4 order first 3 equivalent fraction. Next, see some solution. 2 by 11 into 2, numerator into denominator 2 ஆல multiply பண்றோம். 2 2s are 4 divided by 11 2s are 22. Similarly 2 by 11 into numerator and denominator by the 3 ஆல multiply பண்றோம். 2 ஆல பண்ணோம், next 3 ஆல, next 4 ஆல. So 2 3s are 6, 11 3s are 33. Next 2 by 11 into 4 by 4, numerator and denominator by 4. So 2 4s are 8 by 11 4s are 44. So 2 by 11 is equal to 4 by 22. That is equal to 6 by 33. That is equal to 8 by 44. So ஒரு fraction கொடுத்து equivalent fraction கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், what we have to do? So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by same number. Okay children, let us see another sum. So next We sum reduce the following fractions to their lowest terms. Reduce the following fractions to their lowest terms. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? We have to reduce the given fraction to the lowest form. Okay, listen. So first question, 5 by 15. The given fraction is 5 by 15. So answer, you write the given fraction 5 by 15. So we are going to reduce this fraction to its lowest terms. How will you reduce? Using multiplication tables. So listen, numerator of 5, denominator it is 15. So both the numbers will be coming in 5 table. Okay. So 5 table la நம்ம இந்த numbers cut பண்ண போறோம். Okay, now to cut using multiplication table of 5. So 5 ones are 5. So 5 cut பண்ணி 1. 15 எப்பறம் 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. So that is equal to, you write the cut பண்ண numbers 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the reduced form of 5 by 15. Okay children, next sum. 9 by 18. 9 by 18. You write the given fraction 9 by 18. 9 18 எந்த டேபிள் வரும்? 9 டேபிள் வரும். ஒரே டேபிள் தான் கட் பண்ணனும். So using 9 table we are going to cut. Okay? Now we are going to cut 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. That is equal to 1 by 2 is the reduced form of 9 by 18. Okay, 1 by 2 is the reduced form of 9 by 18. Similarly, third sum, 24 by 30. 24 by 30. So 24, you write the given fraction once again. So 24 30 2 table varum. So we are going to cut using, listen, 3 table varum. So we are going to cut using 6 table now. Okay. So 6 table 24. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. That is equal to 4 by 5 is the reduced form of 24 by 30. Okay. Next, fourth question. 18 by 27. 18 by 27. So 18 by 27. So 18 and 27 on 9 table varum. 3 table varum, you cut using the biggest table. Okay, 9 table. That is equal to 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18. So 18 cut பண்ணி 2 எழுதிருக்கேன். 3 9s are 27. That is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So இந்த ரெண்டு டேபிள் பார்த்தனா எது highest டேபிளோ அதுல கட் பண்ணா ஈஸியா இருக்கும். Okay, now fifth question, 14 by 35. Answer, you write the given fraction 14 by 35. So இந்த டேபிள்னா 7 table. So 7 table la ரெண்டு numbers வரும். 7 2s are 14. 7 5s are, what is 7 5s are 35. That is equal to 2 by 5 is the reduced form of 14 by 35. Okay children, let us see the another sum. Next we are going to see write in ascending order and descending order of fraction. Okay children, listen first question. So we have to arrange in ascending and descending order of fraction. So given question is 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8. Okay, this is a like fraction. The denominators are same. So you straight away arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So which is the smallest one? 3, then 4 by 8, then 5 by 8, then 6 by 8. You arrange in ascending order. So ascending order. So ascending order equal to, which is the first one? Smallest. Increasing order, no? So 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8. This is your answer. Now descending order. So descending order means big to small. So which is the biggest? 6 by 8. This is 1. Then 5 by 8, 2. Then 4 by 8. Then 3 by 8. So arrange this just opposite. 6 by 8, 5 by 8, 4 by 8, 3 by 8. So ascending order and descending order of fraction arrange பண்ணியாச்சு. Next second sum. So solution, write ascending order. So ascending order. So what is ascending order? Small to big. Here which is the smallest? 4 by 10, comma 5 by 10, comma 6 by 10, then 8 by 10. This is ascending order. Similarly, descending order. Descending order means you all know big to small. So arrange the fraction in descending order. Just reverse. 8 by 10, comma 6 by 10, comma 5 by 10, comma 4 by 10. Similarly, third sum, ascending order. So ascending order means small to big. So ascending order, you write in ascending order. First one is 3 by 9, then 5 by 9, then 7 by 9, comma 8 by 9. So we arrange in ascending order. Similarly, descending order. Just reverse. You 8 by 9, 7 by 9, 5 by 9, comma 3 by 9. Okay children, let us see another sum. Next, change these improper fractions into mixed fraction. Change these improper fraction into mixed fraction. So கொடுத்துக்கிறது improper fraction. Improper fraction என்னது? மேல numerator is greater than the denominator. Improper fraction என்னது? Numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay? So இந்த improper fraction mixed fraction convert பண்ணணும். So mixed fraction என்னது? Whole number and proper fraction together is called mixed fraction. So listen, answer. So the given fraction is 9 by 5. You divide. So 9 avula potu velila 4. You divide. 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So இப்ப division பண்ணிட்டு மேல வந்து அந்த quotient தான் உன்னோட whole number part. This is whole number. Then this remainder is called new numerator. இதுதான் numerator. Then this divisor is called denominator. So denominator is shortly denoted by capital D. Numerator is capital N. Okay, now so if 9 by 4 is mixed fraction எப்படி convert பண்ணோம்? So இந்த 2ங்கற whole number part 2 into this is new numerator 1 by 4. So இப்போ mixed fraction convert பண்ணியாச்சு. 2 into 1 by 4. 2ங்கற whole number 1 by 4 வந்து proper fraction. Proper fraction numerator is less than denominator. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? கொடுத்துக்கிற improper fraction mixed fraction convert பண்ணிட்டோம். Okay? Similarly, see the second question. 7 by 3. 7 by 3 improper fraction. Convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 1. Sorry, 7 minus 6. That is 1. So இது வந்து whole number. இது numerator. New numerator. 3 ங்கிறது denominator. So 7 by 3 is equal to, you write 2. So 2 ங்கிறது whole number. 1 by 3 is a improper fraction. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? Mixed fraction convert பண்ணிட்டோம். This is your answer. Similarly, third question. 8 by 5. So division பண்றோம். 8 5. 1 5s are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 8 by 5 can be written as mixed fraction எப்படி எழுதுறோம்? This is whole number 1. Here 3 by 5. Okay? Mixed fraction convert பண்ணிட்டோம். Similarly, 14 by 15. 14 by 15. So 14 வெளியில 5 ஆல divide பண்றோம். So 5 2s are 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. Okay, now you write the whole number. This is the whole number. This is numerator. This is denominator. So 14 by 5 can be written as in mixed fraction எப்படி எழுதுறோம் 2 ங்கற whole number, then 4 by 5 mixed fraction ல எழுதியாச்சு. Okay children, let us see another sum. Next we see change these mixed fractions into improper fraction. போன தடவை improper fraction கொடுத்து mixed fraction கேட்டாங்க. இப்போ mixed fraction கொடுத்து improper fraction convert பண்ணனும். So first question 1 by 4. This is a mixed fraction. So answer, how will you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? So என்ன பண்ணனும் அப்படினா you write the given mixed fraction. Okay. Now கீழ denominator நம்பரையும் சைடுல இருக்கிற அந்த whole நம்பரையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்றேன். So 4 ones, that is equal to 1 into 4. என்ன பண்றோம் சைடுல இருக்கிற அந்த whole number கீழ denominator நம்பரை அப்படியே மல்டிப்ளை பண்றேன். Plus numeratorல என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அதை ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். divided by denominatorல என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அதே தான் வரும் 4. So என்ன பண்றேன் 4 ones are 4 plus 1 divided by 4. That is equal to 5 by 4 is an improper fraction. So என்ன பண்றேன் சைடுல இருக்கிற நம்பரையும் டினாமினேட்டர் நம்பரையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்றேன். 4 1 is 4 plus that numerator number, and the answer 4 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by that denominator number same. 5 by 4 is your answer. Similarly, see the second question. What we have to do? You write the given mixed fraction. That is equal to, listen. So என்ன பண்றோம் the whole number denominator number multiply பண்றோம். 3 1 is 3, okay, plus numerator number என்னது 2 divided by that 3 denominator number same அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு. So 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3 is your answer. Similarly, third question, you write the given mixed fraction. What we have to do? You have to multiply the whole number denominator number. So 2 4s are, what is 2 4s are 8 plus that numerator number 1 divided by denominator number same, that is equal to 8 plus 1 is 9 by 4 is the improper fraction. Okay children, let us see another sum. Next children, solve addition. Okay, addition of fraction. So in addition of fraction, I told in my introduction part what we have to do. So solution, you add 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9. See the denominator number, it is like fraction. So what we have to do, step 1, you add the numerator 1 plus 5, the numerator number, divided by, you keep the denominator same. You write the denominator same 9. Now the answer is 6 by 9. Answer is 6 by 9. Now using 3 table we can cut. Using 3 table, listen, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. That is equal to 2 by 3 is your answer. Okay, நம்ம add பண்ணிட்டோம். 6 by 9 is your answer. So என்ன பண்றோம், first step, add the numerator, keep the denominator same. That is the addition step. Similarly, second sum, what we have to do, 3 fractions, we have to add 3 fractions. The denominator numbers are same. So what we have to do, add the numerator 4 plus 2 plus 3, 4 plus 2 plus 3 divided by the whole divided by 10. You write the denominator same one time. Okay, now you add 6 plus 3 is 9 by 10. 9 by 10. Now 9 is odd number, 10 is even number. We cannot cut using multiplication table. Same table la cut panna mudiyadhu. So this is your answer. Similarly, subtraction. In subtraction, same procedure is followed. Okay, listen. Answer. You subtract the numerator 8 minus 4 whole divided by 12. Keep the denominator same. So 8 minus 4 is 4 divided by 12. Now using 4 table we can cut using 4 table. So 4 1 is 4, 4 3s are 12. That is equal to 1 by 3 is your answer. Okay, next second sum, solution, 15 by 25 minus 10 by 25. So you subtract the numerator. 15 minus 10, the whole divided by, keep the denominator same, 25. 15 minus 10 is 5 by 25. 5 by 25. Now using 5 table we can cut. So using 5 table, 5 1 is 5, 5 5s are 25. So 1 by 5 is your answer. Okay children? Okay children, let us see another sum. Thank you.